Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I want to show you how I find breakout trades and a trade setup on a breakout trade. So basically, it comes down to spotting what we call a volatility compression squeeze, which is a kind of a price consolidation where the market's churning, really tightly squeezed, where you get a potential for a big breakout up or down. So I've got a scanner that we use, and this is programmed in with the rules for what a volatility squeeze is. So currently, you can see here, this is kind of my own list, but there's probably over 15, 20 stocks here that are in a squeeze. And on this scanner, it's kind of a matrix. You can see this is a daily squeeze, so everything in a squeeze that I've got on my list. And then it shows you the number of bars or the time it's been in a squeeze. So here, for example, Domino's Pizza has been in a squeeze for 31 days. And then this red shows you which direction the potential momentum is, and that's how we tell direction of the breakout. Currently, right now, to the downside. But there's a lot in here to look at. And one that we set up here earlier in the week that's turned out fantastic, I wanted to review it, is TWLO. So you can see it's been in a squeeze and it still hasn't triggered for 11 bars, but we had a squeeze trigger earlier in the week and the momentum's up, so this has a really good potential. So let's take a look. So here's the volatility compression squeeze. You can see how coiled this price channel is here, and so it's looking for either a break to the upside or downside. So the dots show when the squeeze start, and when the dots end, that's when the squeeze is triggered. So this still has more potential to the upside. The first target was 217, very close to that, and then 228. Now here's another indicator that we use to show direction of momentum over multiple time frames. So you can see here where my pointer is. This is showing everything that's in a squeeze currently. So it's in a 20-minute squeeze, a 30-minute squeeze, a daily squeeze, and then the top row shows you which direction momentum is. So red means momentum is down, but green means it's up. So the 10, 15, 20, 30-minute momentum's up, 2-hour, 4-hour daily it's up. So here you can see the daily momentum. So this is a trade setup we did here on the 15th, right there, right where my pointer is. And at that point in time, it was also in a 4-hour squeeze. So let's take a look. So my favorite combination is this 4-hour squeeze. You can see that it did trigger, so we caught that perfectly. We got in on the 15th, had a nice pop up here, so I'll show you the trade setup, and it has more potential to the upside. So we set up a call debit spread for this week, and then today actually rolled out and did another one for next week. So on Monday, based on the price pattern, our volatility squeeze, etc., we set up a really low defined risk trade. We bought this week's expiration, the 19 June 202.5, 205 call debit spread at $1. Now it currently went out today at 240, so tomorrow this will be max profit at $150 per spread. So if you did one spread, that's 150. If you did 10, that's 1,500. So it worked out great. But then the other thing today in the room, we set up another spread trade for next week. And so rolling this position out to the next week, we ended up going out here and buying the 215 to 17.5 for next week's expiration, again at $1. So we'll see how that pans out. So if you'd like to learn more about a lot of different trading strategies, this Saturday I'll be doing a live workshop, free workshop, no cost workshop on option income selling strategies. So if you'd like to learn some really cool strategies about selling income or selling options, make sure to sign up and join us this Saturday, and I hope to see you there. Good luck trading.